Did you know that having good tyre pressure can help you save money? It can help you reduce the amount of fuel you need to get from A to B. Your tyres are the only thing that is connecting your car to the road, so it is essential to regularly check that they have enough air. The vehicle's manufacturer will provide you with recommended tyre pressures. These can be found on a label on the driver's door pillar or in your owner's manual. It is essential to get this right. Overinflation can cause tyres to wear unevenly, so they are not able to grip the road as well. On the other hand, underinflated tyres can be just as dangerous, as they can also affect the tyre wear and increase rolling resistance. It is best to check your tyre pressure when the tyres are cold. Warmth from driving causes air to expand, so you won't get an accurate reading if you check them straight after a long drive. It is recommended that you check your tyre pressure monthly. You need to attach the pressure gauge. If you can hear a hissing noise, it means that the valve has not been attached properly. Adjust the angle of the gauge until the hissing noise stops, and then take note of the result.